Good day everyone. So this is the discussion for part 2 of chapter 3, Algebraic Properties of Matrix Operations. So here we're going to discuss the properties of scalar multiplication and properties of transpose. So first we have the properties of scalar multiplication. So if R and S are real numbers and A and B are matrices, then we have these four properties. So i-discuss natin siya isa-isa with its corresponding examples para mas maintindihan natin itong mga properties of scalar multiplication. Okay? First, we have RSA is equal to RSA. Okay? So, usually naman, di ba, ang ginagawa natin is ang una nating minumultiply or sinasolve is yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay? So, for example, we have this matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have R is equal to 2 and S is equal to 5. So, first thing we need to do is get R, S, and A. Muna, okay? So, syempre, ito yung uunahin natin. So, sulat na din muna natin yung R, which is equal to 2. Then, sulat natin yung S. What is our S? We have 5. Okay? And our matrix A. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then, solve muna natin to. So, we have 5 times 1 is 5. Then, we have 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 2 is 10. And 5 times 4 is 20. Then, multiply natin yung 2. So, we have 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 15 is 30. 2 times 10 is 20. And 2 times 20 is 40. Okay? So, this is our RSA. Okay? So, yung nasa loob ng parenthesis is S and A. Okay? Next, kunin naman natin yung RS, which is sila yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, multiplied by matrix A. So, we have R is equal to 2 and S is equal to 5. Then, multiplied by the matrix A. So, we have 1, 3, 2, 4. So, 2 times 5 is 10. Okay? Then, our matrix A is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Multiply lang natin yung 10 dito sa matrix A. So, we have 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 2 is 20. And 10 times 4 is 40. And this is our RSA. So, as you can see, okay, equal lang silang dalawa. Okay, so napatunayan natin na RSA is equal to RSA. Okay, so that is for the first property of scalar multiplication. Next, we have the second property of scalar multiplication, which is R plus A S times A is equal to RA plus RS. Okay, so for example, we have the same given. Katulad sa first properties, we have matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4, and R is equal to 2, and S is equal to 5. Okay, so kunin muna natin itong left side. So we have R plus S times A. Okay, so ipag-add lang natin yung R and S. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So we have 7. And our A is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So, kailangan natin gawin is i-multiply natin itong 7 dito sa ating matrix A. So, 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 2 is 14. And 7 times 4 is 28. Okay? Ayan. So, this is our R plus S times A. Next, kunin naman natin itong RA and RS. Okay, so unahin muna natin yung RA. Okay, so RA is our R is 2. So our A is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 2, 6, and 4, 8. Next, kunin naman natin yung ating SA. So our S is 5. And our A is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 5, 15, 10, and 20. And we just need to add it. Kasi meron, i-add yung itong dalawang ito. Or itong dalawa. So we have RA plus SA is equal to, ito yung ating RA, ito yung ating SA. So we have RA is 2, 4, 6, 8 plus 5, 15, 10, and 20. Okay, so we have 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 plus 15 is 21. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 plus 10 is 14. Mali pala, 14. And 8 plus 20 is 28. So this is our RA plus SA, which is equal dito. So, papansin nyo, we have 7, 21, 14, 28, 7, 21, 14, and 28. Then we can say that these two are equal. So, that is for the second property of scalar multiplication. Okay, let's go to the third property. So, we have R times A plus B is equal to RA plus RB. So, basically, para siyang distributive property. So, dinistribute lang yung R dito sa dalawa. Okay? So, solve muna rin natin yung left side. So, we have this given. Okay? So, we have R, then A plus B. Okay? So, sulat muna rin natin yung R, which is 2. Then, we just need to add matrix A and B. Okay? So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Plus matrix B, which is negative 2, 1, 4, and 3. Okay? So, we have 2. Then, yung sum nito ang ating dalawang matrix. So, we have 1 plus negative 2 is negative 1. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So, we have 2 times negative 1, negative 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 7 is 14. 14. Ayan. Okay? Next, kunin naman natin yung right side. So, kunin muna natin yung RA. Ano? So, we have RA. So, we just need to multiply 2 times matrix A. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, we have 2, 6, 4, 8. Kunin naman natin ang RB. So, we have R is 2 and our B is negative 2, 4, 1, 3. So, we have negative 4, we have 8, we have 2, and we have 6. And we just need to add these 2. So, we have RA plus RB. So, we have 2, 6, 4, 8 plus negative 4, 8, 2, 6. So, we have 2 plus negative 4 is negative 2. 6 plus 8 is 14. 2 plus 4 plus 2 is 6. And 8 plus 6 is 14. So, as you can see, they are just equal. So, yan na natunayan natin na these two are also equal. Okay? Next, we have the last property for scalar multiplication. Okay? So, we have these three. So, kailangan natin patunayan na they are all equal. Ano? Okay? So, kunin muna natin itong itong first. So, lagyan lang natin para hindi tayo malito. So, first, ayan. So, first we have A times RB. So, ang sa loob ng parenthesis is RB. Okay? So, we have A, RB. So, our A is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Times, ang R natin is 2, ito. And our B is negative 2, 4, we have 1 and 3. Okay? Ayan. So, sulat ko muna dito yung ating matrix A para dire-diretso tayo. Then, yung product nito is we have, so, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. We have 2 times 4 is 8. Then, we have 2 times 1 is 2. And we have 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? So, solve lang natin to. So, 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. 3 times 2 is 6. So, plus 6. Then, 1 times 8 is 8. Then, 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, next we have 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, and 4 times 2 is 8, so plus 8. Then we have 2 times 8 is 16, and 4 times 6 is 24, so plus 24. So we have negative 4 plus 6 is 2, 8 plus 18 is 26, negative 8 plus 8 is 0, and 16 plus 24 is 40. So this is our A times RB. Next, kunin naman natin ang R times AB. Okay, so our R is 2 times, kunin lang natin yung matrix multiplication ng AB. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 times matrix B. So we have negative 2, 4, 1, and 3. Okay, so 2, ito yung ating R, times, so we have 1 times negative 2 is negative 2, 3 times 1 is 3, so plus 3. 1 times 4 is 4, and 3 plus 3 is, 3 times 3 is 9, so plus 9. Then we have 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, and 4 times 1 is 4. Then we have 2 times 4 is 8, and 4 times 3 is 12, so plus 12. Then simplify lang natin. So we have, ayan, so suot ko lang pala yung 2, ayan, so may 2 pa din pala dyan, ha. Huwag natin kalimutan, may 2 pa rin yung R, okay? So we have negative 2 plus 3 is 1, 4 plus 9 is 13, negative 4 plus 4 is 0, and 8 plus 12 is 20. Then, multiply lang natin yung R, which is equal to 2. So we have 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 13 is 26, 2 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 20 is 40. This is our R, A, B. Next, lastly, we have yung pangatlo. We have RA times B. Okay? So, ganito naman mangyari. Yung R muna ay multiply natin sa matrix A. So, we have R is equal to 2 times matrix A, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, times matrix B. So, we have 2, 4, 1, and 3. Okay? So, we have 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. Then times natin sa matrix B. So we have negative 2, 4, 1, and 3. So we have 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 6 times 1 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. And 6 times 3 is 18. Then we have 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. And 8 times 1 is 8, so plus 8. 4 times 2 is 16, and 8 times 3 is 24. Simplify lang natin. So you have negative 4 plus 6 is 2, 8 plus 18 is 26, negative 8 plus 8 is 0, and 16 plus 24 is 40. So this is our RAB. So kung mapapansin nyo, pare-pareha silang tatlo. So, which means that these three are equal. Okay? So, those four are the properties of scalar multiplication. Okay? Next, we have the properties of transpose. Okay? So, basically, this magta-transpose lang tayo dito. Okay? So, sabi dito, if R is a scalar, and A and B are matrices, then we have these four properties then ni transpose. Okay? So, punta tayo sa first property. Okay? So, we have this property na A transpose quantity transpose is equal to A. Okay? Kumbaga is dalawang beses itatranspose yung A. Okay? So, for example, we have this matrix A. So, you have matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Kunin natin yung transpose niya. So, ang transpose ni matrix A is, so yung itong row is gawin nating column. So, we have 1, 2, then this one will be 3, 4. Okay. Then, kunin ulit natin yung transpose ng A. So, kunin natin yung transpose ng A transpose. Okay. So, itong column na to is gawin nating row. So, we have 1, 3, then we have 2, and 4. Which is equal din naman siya kay A. Okay. Therefore, we can say that A transpose transpose is equal to A. Okay, so that is the first property for transpose. Next, we have this second property of transpose. So, we have A plus B quantity transpose. Okay, which is equal daw siya sa A transpose plus B transpose. Kung mapapansin nyo, is parang dinistribute lang yung transpose. Okay, so kunin muna natin tong left side. So, we have A plus B transpose. So, we have, ayan, so we have yung matrix A. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 plus negative 2 or yung matrix B natin 4, 1, and 3. Okay, so ipag-add natin siya. So, we have 1 times negative, 1 plus negative 2 is negative 1. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 4 plus 3 is 7. Then, syempre, since may transpose dito, kukunin natin yung transpose niya. Then, we have negative 1, 7, 3, and 7. So, this is our A plus B transpose. Next, kunin naman natin itong right side. So, kukunin muna natin si A transpose. Okay? So, A transpose. So, from this, ayan. So, kaya na naman natin kunin yung transpose niya. So, we have 1, 3, 2, and 4. Next, kunin naman natin yung B transpose. So, we have negative 2, 4, 1, and 3. Then, we just need to add yung A transpose and B transpose. So, we have A transpose is 1, 3, 2, and 4 plus B transpose is negative 2, 1, 4, and 3. So, simplify lang natin. So, we have 1 plus negative 2 is negative 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So, this is our A transpose plus B transpose. So, kung mapapansin nyo is, parehas lang silang dalawa. Okay? Then, we can say that these two are equal. So, that is for the second property of transpose. Next, we have the third property of transpose. So, we have A times B transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Okay? So, kunin muna ulit natin itong left side. Okay? So, we have A, B, transpose. So, kukunin muna natin yung matrix multiplication, itong matrix A and B. Then, saka natin kunin yung transpose. Okay? So, we have matrix A, 1, 2, 3, and 4 times matrix B. So, we have negative 2, 1, 4, and 3. Okay? So, diretso na lang natin para mabilis. So, we have 1 times negative 2 is negative 2 and 3 times 1 is 3. So, we have plus 3. Then, we have 1 times 4 is 4 and 3 times 3 is 9. So, we have plus 9. Okay? 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 and 4 times 1 is 4. Then, we have 2 times 4 is 8 and 4 times 3 is 12. So, plus 12. So, simplify lang natin. So, we have negative 2 plus 3 is 1. 4 plus 9 is 13. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. And 8 plus 12 is 20. Okay? So, huwag kakalimutan, may transpose tayo dyan. So, kukunin natin yung transpose niya. So, we have 1, 13, 0, and 20. So, this is our A, B transpose. Next, kunin naman natin yung B transpose, A transpose. Okay, so kunin muna natin ang B transpose. B transpose is negative 2, 4, 1, and 3. Then, kunin naman natin A transpose is equal to 1, 3, 2, and 4. Okay? So, hindi siya pwedeng A transpose, B transpose, ha? Magkaiba itong dalawa, Hindi ito. So, yan, dapat susundin natin. So, we have B transpose, A transpose. So, matrix multiplication lang din. So, unahin natin ang B transpose. Negative 2, 1, 4, and 3 times A transpose. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, we have, ayan, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. 1 times 3 is 3, so plus 3. Then, we have negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. And 1 times 4 is 4, so plus 4. So, negative 2, ah. Then, we have 4 times 1 is 4. And 3 times 3 is 9, so we have plus 9. Then, we have 4 times 2 is 8. And 3 times 4 is 12. Simplify lang natin. So, we have negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 4 plus 9 is 13. And 8 plus 12 is 20. So, this is our B transpose, A transpose. So, as you can see, they are equal. So, we can say that A plus times B transpose is equal to B transpose, A transpose. Okay, so that is for the third property of transpose. Then lastly, we have letter D. We have R A transpose is equal to R A transpose. So, yung A, isa is may parenthesis lang. Okay? Then dito naman is kukunin muna natin transpose ng A, saka natin i-multiply yung R. Okay? So, kunin muna natin itong una. So, we have R A transpose. So, we have R is 5. And yung ating matrix A is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, we have 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 2 is 10. And 5 times 4 is 20. Then, we just need to get its transpose. So, we have 5, 10, 15, 20. So, this is our RA transpose. Next, kunin naman natin yung RA transpose. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung transpose is naka-A lang, wala silang parenthesis. So, kukunin muna natin yung A transpose. So, our A transpose is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Saka natin siya i-multiply kay R, which is equal to 5. Times lang natin yung A transpose, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, we have 5, 10, 15, and 20. So, this is our RA transpose, which is equal dun sa ating RA transpose na naka-parenthesis yung RA. Okay? So, we can say that these two are also equal. So, that ends our part 2 discussion of algebraic properties of matrix operations. Thank you.